Welcome back to the vlog, you guys. It is Sunday, January 14th at 8:24 a.m. I did all the boring stuff before I turned on the camera. Got up early, got caught up on my work. What I've realized, come on, Charles. Come on. Come on with your little pajamas. You want me to get you? What I have realized is that I get like my meal plans and client check-ins and all of that stuff done the early part of my morning, and then like filming content, things like that kind of starts around now. That seems to be working well. Plus that's stuff that there's no fun in filming that. So anyways, what I have on the agenda today is kind of a little bit of a reset. I already filled up my supplements for the week and did that. I'm going to do some laundry. I'm going to kind of straighten up around the house. I've been so busy that I have not like done household chores. I was kind of just straightening up in here a little bit. Just getting text. I am now the producer on a podcast, and I was just texting with him on that. Anyways, so much exciting stuff going on, you guys. Okay, so what am I going to do? I'm going to clean up. I have to organize the fridge. So I got to clean out the fridge. I'm going to throw out all the old food, kind of reset for the week. I didn't get a MegaFit meals delivery this week because I ordered too late. So I'm not going to get MegaFit until Wednesday, which means that I'm going to grocery shop for a few days worth of food. And I kind of just have been neglecting like cleaning out my fridge and doing that stuff because I've just been so busy with work. So I'm going to throw in a little laundry, kind of straighten up around the house, clean out the fridge, and then I'm going to go to, then we'll do a little bit of planning. Like, what am I going to make? So we'll figure that out. And then I will head to the grocery stores and we'll do a little grocery haul. So lots of fun stuff. I haven't done like food type videos in a while just because I was so busy during Vlogmas that I didn't cook. I just did MegaFit meals. So I'll kind of figure out what I want to make this week and take you guys through that, and then we'll make at least we'll make one meal. At least one macro-friendly meal will be in this vlog. So anyways, thank you guys for tuning in to another vlog. I have been consistent with Tuesday vlogs. You might even get a bonus vlog here and there, but definitely every Tuesday. So if you're interested in catching up on my vlogs, make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Hit the bell to be notified when I post new videos. And if you are not already following me on my Instagram and my other social media, I will put my handles up on the screen. So anyways, guys, let's go ahead and get into this day. So I got this. Why is it that everything that comes from Amazon is like in a million pieces? I should have known. I should have found something like this at like Home Goods so I wouldn't have to put it together. But I got this like little, kind of like a laptop desk on wheels. Now that I'm looking at it, gosh, that would be so convenient for home also. But I actually got it for the studio.
Like when you
I think I'm going to put a log in the fire. It is a cold, rainy day. I like to set the mood before I kind of clean the fridge and stuff. espresso. Look at these cute little Yeti mugs I got from Hero. They're so nice. Cozy. I feel like I'm procrastinating because I do not feel like tackling the fridge. Ooh, let's do some cinnamon. Look at the foam. Oh, you guys. So good. Oh, that's so good with the syrup. It was the salted caramel. Okay, it's a little chilly in here, so I threw a sweatshirt on. All right, I am going to empty the dishwasher first. All right, so now that the fridge is kind of clean, the kitchen's kind of clean, I'm gonna do some, figure out what I want to have. I'm gonna put together like my list. I know we need to go to Trader Joe's. We need to go to Sprouts. First and foremost, I will figure out what I want to eat. I think I'm feeling like I want a salad. Like a big, something like big, a big salad. And I got those, if you guys watched the last vlog, I went to Costco. I got the chicken bites from Costco. I think that I will have those instead of a big salad. And so I got to get Trader Joe's ranch. All right, so I'm going to make my list and then see where we end up. I also cleaned out the pantry, the freezer. That saves you money when you do that because you realize you have things that you didn't know you had. So I can take some things off my list. I have plenty of granola. I have a salad topper. I don't need frozen raspberries. Laundry is just about done. And I love when I have a Sunday like this because then I can start the week not behind. I do need to do some studying on the calculator, which is fine. But we had a very productive Sunday. No, Phoebe. How funny do I look, you guys?
It was pretty cool, man.
I hope I don't see anybody. I know.
Man.
All right, errand time. We are finally out and about, which is perfect because the rain stopped. So it's good timing. We are headed to Home Depot because I have to make keys again for the studio. We've had the worst luck with those keys. Hopefully this is the last time.
No. Tired of Home Depot. One of my favorite
And the
places.
key, it's called minute key or whatever. It's not. It should be called 10-minute key.
Because it's one booth and there's usually a line of people.
And it takes a while too to do the keys. All right, you guys. Well, where are we gonna go? Where do you have to go? I want Sprouts and Trader Joe's for sure.
That's really it. Maybe Target.
Target.
Yeah.
Sprouts,
That's
Trader
it,
Joe's, Target, the trio, and they're all in the same shopping center. We'll go to that one.
Yeah. Real easy.
And I will show you guys what I get. I'll show you guys the haul. I'm hungry. I haven't ate yet. It's
That's at a- that's at a bar.
11:30. It's 11:30.
You haven't even had a bar yet?
I had a bar, but that was at 4 o'clock in the morning.
Oh shit.
That was a long time
Goddamn.
ago. Time in the
No,
near
not the last time.
Not the last time, but the last time in the near future. For the keys. The last time for the keys. No, thank you. Now we are off. Oh. Got the goods. Booyah. I'm in my head.
You forgot about it?
Legendaries. Grab.
Oh yeah, that too. Patties that I bought.
This is like old school. Tupperware, you guys. Who remembers Tupperware? Look at this. Is so old school. How cute. I wish they had the bigger one in the pink. But I like this one. Oh, I might get one of these. Oh, I need dog food. That's where I need it from Target. Oh, a new one.
Yeah.
Oh, cute. Oh, maybe I'll get a new toy for mine. Oh, I wonder if they would like this banana. Don't go too far. I need to get something else. Treat. Let's do a different one. Maybe they... Turkey cranberry. Let's do this one. But I also want to get Alexa. But I think the fast food fries will be good for the animals.
Extra crispy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, the fast food fries.
Yeah.
Ooh, I want a burger.
I got you. One coming up.
You are a burger
I got you.
master.
What's this? I got you. I already know exactly how you like it.
Yes, you're
Don't
the
make
master
pizza.
burger. I think that's
How are we
it.
on spray?
I don't know. All right, stop number 1 is complete. Now Sprouts, but just a couple things at Sprouts. And then Trader Joe's. I love that all of the places are in the same shopping center.
And it's close to the workstation too. Isn't that crazy?
I know. Oh, I'm surprised he likes them. I need to get
two?
romaine.
We want this one.
No, one is good. I need to get romaine. And I need the cabbage.
You want avocado on one burger?
No. All right, you guys, Trader Joe's is done. Now, we head home. We didn't end up going to Sprouts because I didn't actually need it. I could do without. So, we are going to go home, put the groceries away, and then I'm going to make a chicken salad. And I'm really excited about it because I'm just in the mood for like a big salad. So we're going to have a salad, and then for dinner, we talked about we're going to have burgers and animal style fries, somewhat like dupe, like In-N-Out dupe animal style fries. And if you are on my mailing list, I actually sent out how I make those. It's very simple in my bi-weekly macro-friendly recipes newsletter. If you're not subscribed to that, I recommend subscribing. I'll put the link up here. Just click that link, scroll down, and put your email in the macro-friendly recipes newsletter, and you'll immediately get to download the current newsletter. And then I send out an email every other week, and I always have something like my favorite fast food order and what the macros are for it, or recipes, kind of like junk food style doopy type recipes. Anyway, there's that. And yeah, I'm hungry now. What time is it? Let me look at the time. Mike had to go to the bathroom. This guy, he already went to the bathroom in Target. Now he's at the bathroom again. It's 12:45, almost 1 o'clock. So it's cool because I have 1,400 calories left for the day. So I've only ate 200 calories. I'm at about 1,600 right now, sometimes a little more. But, so there's plenty of room for a salad and a burger and fries. And then still like a nighttime treat. So anyways, I'll tap back in with you guys when I'm unloading the groceries.
Oh, thank you, Mama. Let your wrist on. Look, Papa. We're gonna go walk though. We're gonna go walk. We're gonna go walk. We're gonna see that time. Look, there we go.
Oh shoot! I should have left these in the car.
Oh, I'll put them in for you.
These are mine. Oh yeah. I don't have very many now that I'm out of the house. So cute and pink. Alright, Trader Joe's, not too much. Strawberries. Must rinse these. Oh, I got these. These are great for like a little snack with just like some nut butter on them. Like just pop one in your mouth before a workout. They're kind of calorie dense, so it's 40 calories per, but it's just a nice little sugar jolt for a workout. These are good. Mike gets these all the time. 11 grams of protein, only 100 calories. These are so good. These little croutons for my salad. Just a few, just for crunch. I always like to have some sort of crunch. Hard-boiled eggs for my salad. Blueberries, which I will rinse off right now. Romaine. So these are going to be my greens for my salad. Bought is Trader Joe's Ranch. The best. It is so good. 70 calories for 2 tablespoons, worth every calorie. Take one of those eggs back. I mean, to the...
Oh, yeah. No, that goes up there.
Oh. All right.
I'll put these up there.
Yeah. Yeah. going to finish rinsing off the fruit. There we go. There's my croissants. These are the dupe for Just Bear chicken. They're cheaper at Costco and they're very good. They are just fine for me. So I'm going to do a serving for my 84 grams is 160 calories for my salad and put them in the air fryer. Right here.
Oh.
All right, so we're doing romaine. I threw out the ones that were bad.
Yeah.
I kept the ones that were still good.
Just need a few minutes, bro. In and out.
Tell them when you see them.
Potato chip. Yeah, that's all.
Tell them it's not on the. That'll be 12 grams of protein on top of the 16, so. Is he? Pablo's not out there, is he? That's why I got this container, because then I'm going to put this lid, and we're going to do a little shaky. So let's see, 170, 35 for the egg whites, or like 30. So 31, so that's 200. 30 for the croissants, 230. 300 calories for this salad. 300 calories and 28 grams of protein. You just did a Chef Boyardee.
Oh, you saw that?
I did. I saw you were pretty proud of yourself. I saw that.
I'm good, huh? I'm becoming like a chef up in here.
I saw a little. You had a little pep in your step. You did a little flipperoo. A little. This is the perfect size for my salad. Yum. So good.
You're all happy.
I only dated one person who was not in the entertainment business, but don't want to date an athlete, don't want to date a rapper.
So we actually have packets of In-N-Out spread on hand, and it's 90 calories per packet. So we have the macros for the actual spread. I have enough, so I'm just going to go ahead and have a packet of this. But you can also make a copycat one with ketchup, mayo, mustard, and a little bit of relish mixed together, kind of till it's like this color. That's how you kind of decide and to taste, basically. But since I have this, I'm going to go with this, and then I'm just going to go with some cheese first.
93 and 7?
93
They're
and
170 calories each.
That is some good macros. Got onion, essential. This is grilled onions for on top of the fries. Fries are in the air fryer. These are keto buns. They're only 80 calories each. And how many grams of protein?
I believe 9.
So these are a winner. Oral Wheat, I think, is the brand. And then nice little fast food inspired dinner. I have my little baby serving. Oh my god, the burger's perfect. Mmm. 93.
93. Lean, 170 calories. 23.
Look.
Perfect. That's what I did.
Mmm. It's better than the last one. Treats. You gotta go to your house. Go to your house. It's time for bed. Alright, you guys, I am going to take a shower and get ready for bed, but I wanted to show you guys something first. Look at these that I found. I'm going to drop one of these in the shower right now. They're shower bombs. This is Dreamy Lavender. You just turn on the hot water and then you put this like on the corner away from the water in your shower, and it turns your shower into like a spa shower. Literally. They're so cool. I got them from Amazon. And I will link them down below because they are very, very cool. One other thing I wanted to show you. I've been using these to wash my face. They're just dry towelettes instead of using a towel. You know, like they have that Clean Skin Club thing. Well, these are just like the Amazon version of that. And there's 100 in here and it was $9. So you only have to get, figure I use one a day, 1 or 2 a day, and I just get 1 pack every couple months. But I love these. I'll link those down below as well. That is it for today's vlog. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure you are signed up for my newsletter so you get the recipe for the animal style fries if you want that. And other than that, that is it, and I will see you guys on